Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get paper trading on TradingView. Paper trading is a fantastic way to practice your trading strategies without risking any real capital. It simulates live market conditions, giving you valuable experience. You'll use virtual money to buy and sell various assets, helping you understand market dynamics and test your ideas. This feature is readily available to all TradingView users, making it an accessible tool for learning and improvement. To activate paper trading, first open any chart on the TradingView platform. Look for the trading panel located at the very bottom of your screen. Click on it, and a list of available brokers will appear. From this list, simply select TradingView Paper Trading. Then, click the Connect button. Your virtual account will instantly be linked, and you'll be ready to start practicing with virtual funds. With your paper trading account connected, you will immediately see a virtual balance of $100,000. To place a trade, you can use the intuitive buy and sell buttons directly on the chart, or utilize the more detailed order panel. Here, you'll specify your desired order type, the quantity of shares or contracts, and your entry price. After execution, you can easily monitor your open positions and track your virtual profit or loss within the trading panel. Managing your paper trading account is straightforward. Regularly review your trade history and performance metrics to understand your strengths and weaknesses. If you ever wish to start fresh, you can easily reset your virtual account balance at any time. Don't hesitate to experiment with various assets, including stocks, forks, and cryptocurrencies. Consistent practice is key to refining your trading strategies and building confidence before considering real capital.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.